So, for today's video, kumasya ba sa 500 ang grocery ko? Yes. Total niya is 498. Meron na yung 40 pack stuff. Bumili akong cheese, pinakamurang brand. And then, Angel today's. And then, maybe this around 400 grams na chicken breast. And then, ham and hot dog. Cut your cheese in half. So after ma-cube yung cheese, you can mix your ingredients. You can na-drain na fruit cocktail. Yung creme densada, you can put all or maybe half. Baka may paggamitan ka pa. And then this. Tapos, mekos-mekos mo lang siyang ganyan. Okay, so this is your salad. And they claim na this is good for 5 people. Actually, perhaps more pag linagay mo lang siya sa maliit na salad cup. If you intend to sell it as a food meal combo. Then, you can put it na lang sa ref to cool down. Then, I think I'll just air fry this ham. Low heat in a few minutes para hindi masunog. Ikaw na bahala kung straight or pahaba yung hiwa mo ng hotdog. Like this. If wala kang mantika, because sa DTI, inassume nila na may mantika kayo sa bahay, you can actually use yung skin and then some fats dito sa breast. And then you can just slice this one. Pero kung hindi talaga, gumamit ka na lang talaga mantika sa bahay nyo. If meron. Then you can debone your chicken breast. I manually mince my chicken, but then if my food processor kayo, which I have, you can. And also some groceries, you can just get certain grams. But because I got this from the market, it's not. You can put salt for some flavor. But yeah, I wouldn't use bawang sibuyas because gastos pa yun. Okay. Madaling maluto yung pasta, mag-boil ka na lang ng tubig sa kettle. With salt, oil. I put 2 kettles of water para hindi ko need hatiin yung pasta. Let's now put your pasta. Then sinubmerge ko. Pasta, it's also good na ihalo mo siya kasi minsan dumidikit siya sa ilalim. Lalo na pag sobrang init sa ilalim ng kalan. Without tasting the pasta, you would know na it's almost good kapag medyo whitish na siya from the dark yellowish color niya. If okay na yung firmness, you can put cold water. Some people use ice to stop the cooking process of the pasta. Some, pag medyo firm pa to konti, hindi pa ganun ka al dente, they cook it together with the sauce para dun na maluto lalo or get the al dente. Pero pag di ka na nakatiis yan, kung may mantika kayo sa bahay, you can use but then if may available kayong sibuyas bawang, you can also put. Kapag nag-brown ng ganyan yung kawali, you can put your sauce. You can put the sauce now. Malapot, kaya linagyan ko ng pasta water para dumami na rin. Tapos, since malapit ng maluto, pwede na nating lagyan ng paminta. So, we will do the plating already. Kunyari, nag-gloves ako para safe at clean. In some restaurants or other places, may gramo-gramo pa yan. Pero ngayon, tansya-tansya lang. So, may naiwan pa dun sa pasta and sauce. Then, pwede kong tapingan to ng cheese. Sakto yung bilang nung ham kanina na 10. So, tigda dalawa linagay ko. Kung salad. Maybe I can cook some gulaman for it. Kasi ang dami pang creme densada. So, this would be your 5-person meal na 500. But then, since may mga excess, I think, yeah, it's around 400. Use this pasta for New Year. Just kidding, no. I think for reheat, and then you can just make up some other sauces. It's good. And, yeah, huwag na tayo mag-expect sa yung mga murang ham. Because hindi siya real meat. But, I think, mix siya with flour. What you call good siya, ma'am? I think possible yung 500. But then, for Christmas, pwede fasting. Just kidding. Tubig, ganun. Or instead, pambili pagkain. Birth control. I think, ngayon yung may economics ng pag-ibig, mga love will not keep us alive. So, I think the best thing that everyone can do is to increase their capacity to earn, but then also for the government to increase naman the salary of employees, lalo na mga minimum wage earner. Yun. And then I think for the hamon, pag pure foods around 500 na yun. So yeah, they could just have remove it. But you can alternate it ng siguro bacon, because bacon is 101/4 better than this na flour. Because I always use Vida sa na bacon. And then the ham, Mondebola, I think may half price sa mga main suppliers. But then, pag sa direct talaga na company or Pure Foods, it's gonna be 500 or so. So, pag yun yung hamon and then sa spaghetti and the salad, I think 1,000 talaga. That's it.